So the core of my work, Rise Up with Heart, focuses on reclaiming spiritual empowerment through energy work, dance, and visionary art. When I'm on the dance floor, if I'm using that intention, I'm deep in the dance. I spiral down into whatever it is from my past lives or, my limiting beliefs or whatever it is, all these elements of my own healing. I go deep, deep in there and I'm calling it up. I call it up. I call it up. I have literally dry heaved through using this combination of practices of the visualization, the dance, the music, the intention, that focus, and the prayer, taking deep breaths and bringing our awareness down to the earth, and then visualizing roots going down into the earth, or visualizing our crown opening and a beam of light, an antenna shooting up into the sky, that then we visualize, this stream of healing energy flowing down into the body. We can visualize all the cells of our being vibrating with, the truths of our healed and expansive essence. So much is possible with these practices of dance.